Yo.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello, my name is Muhammad Rifani.
My name is Muhammad Iki Ramadan. My name is Muhammad Bari.
My name is Zulfarhan Purnamanda.
Today we will show you how to make noodles special.
Ingredients here. Here, there. Soto noodles. Here, mustard greens, lemongrass, garlic, shallot, chili, soy sauce, chili sauce, tomato sauce, and meatballs and water.
Peel the garlic. Peel red onion. Remove the starch from the chili. Open package of noodles.
Ocean breeze caress my face.
Ingredients until clean.
Dreams, glassy, perfect waves. So surfing, blow your mind away and forget that day. So searching, get to hear a voice, catch your
And
inner
cut the garlic.
goes fast. Don't miss
And then the onion.
your wave. Ride
And then the chili.
scars. Embrace
And then the lemongrass.
pain. Dreaming,
And then the green mustard.
barreling.
Pour this into the pan.
Treasures in your mind. Forget what's left behind. So
Put the water in pan.
blow your mind away and forget that day. So searching,
The noodles
get to
pan.
hear a voice, catch your inner choice. So surfing,
Pour the mustard green into the pan.
searching. So surfing, so
Pour the spice into the pan.
Put the meatballs in the pan. Special noodles into a container. Put the soy sauce and chili sauce into here.
surf your soul.
And this is the final result of the special noodles.
And ready to eat.